very large Pooh Bear hug would be nice about now.
Ay, sino yan? Sino yung hawak mo? Ha, baby?
What a very snuggly huggly. Snuggler, please.
Parang tanda-tanda na yung phone, ah. Ano ba yan? Hindi titignan yung ilong. Meron ka naman nun.
Like that. Even snugglier. I feel much more snuggly now. Thank you.
Anak, parang sumusakalin si Po, ah. Huwag mo suntukin. Yan, niyahag mo na.
A very large Pooh Bear hug would be
Hintayin niyo akong umuwi ng Philippines. Na, baby.
what a very big little
Anak, huwag mo wrestlingin.
small, but my very favorite sword. A kiss on the cheek might be nice. A kiss on the cheek might be nice.
Bagay. Anak, say hi Philippines nga. Dali.
Would you help me even closer, please?
Nag-hi ano ka na nga kanina eh.
Even closer. Your kiss is very sweet as honey. Hugging is much more friendly with two. What a very snuggly huggly. Snuggler, please.
Hala, sige, magigil. Sumimpa niya.
Like that.
Gigigil siya kay Po.
Even snugglier. I feel much more snuggly now.
Gigil siya.
A kiss on the cheek might be nice. A kiss on the cheek might be nice.
Sinisipa niya na yung camera.
Pasalitain mo nga si Po.
Would you hug me even closer, please? Even closer. Even. What a very snuggly huggly.
Gigil siya.
Snuggler, please. Yes, like that. Even snugglier. I feel much more snuggly now. Thank you. A kiss on the cheek might be nice. A kiss on the cheek
Ito.
might be nice.
Ito.
Would you hug me even closer, please? Even closer. Even closer. Hugging is much more friendly with two. What a very snuggly huggly. Snuggler, please. Yes, like that. Even
Ang lakas niyo, oh.
Snugly now.
Nahawakan niya sa kabila.
A kiss on the cheek might be nice. A kiss on the cheek might be nice.
Gusto mo siya magsalita.
Even closer, please.
Zoe. Tama na yan. Zoe, anong ginawa mo sa school? Ha? Maginaw ba sa loob ng school kanina? Ha? Huwag mong kalmutin. Pinakalmot mo na ako eh.
A very large Pooh Bear hug would be nice about.
Anong ginawa mo kanina sa school? Pansinin mo ako.
Kaya mo sa...
Zoe. Zoe. May exam kayo kanina?
A very large Pooh Bear hug would be nice about.
Sino yun? Sino yan? Ha? Sino yan? Sino yan?
What a very snuggly huggly. Snuggly.
Hindi ba natatakot sa boss niya? Parang ang tanda-tanda na.
Like that.
Ha?
Even snugglier.
Zoe. Yan. Zoe. Kaya mo na akong pansinin. Zoe.
Kasi hawak ako yung sipo.
A very large Pooh Bear
Ayan.
would be
Natatawa ka mo. Ayan, yan. Wow! Ano yan? Ano yan? Huwag mo kagatin. Ano yan?
Ball. Stress ball. Ala, stress ka?
Stress ball.
a very large Pooh Bear.
Madali ang exam nyo kanina?
Nice about.
Ha? Madali? Yung exam nyo kanina, madali lang? Nangopya na naman yung crush mo. Ha?
A really nice Pooh Bear. Snuggly, please. Yes, like that. Even snugglier. I feel much more snuggly now. Thank you. Would you hug me even closer, please? Even closer.
Zoe, babay na.
Even closer.
Babay na sa camera. Dali.
Hugging is
Babay na. Bye-bye. Sabi mo, dali, bye-bye. Dali. Bye-bye. Teka. Tignan natin. Kung tatay. Why? Tumatayo ka na. Isa pa. Yeah. Galing.
Ulit. Kuha na mo siya. Basta ako magpapatayo.
a very large Pooh Bear hug would be nice.
Up, anak, up. 1, 2, 3. Tayo. Yay! Wag. Yay! Tumatayo na siya!
Isa pa nga.
Let.
Isa pa.
Okay. Game. Isa pa ulit, anak. Isa pa. 1.
Mama, nababoring na ako.
1.
Mama, nababoring na ako.
1, 2, 3.
Uy!
Wow! Yay!
Anak, creep walk nga. Creep walk ka.
Yes, Papa. Yes?
Ano hinahanap mo, barya?
Agarap kayo po.
What a very snuggly huggly. Snuggly.
Anak, para kang ninja dyan sa damit mo.
Yes, like that.
Pangit naman nito. Sino ba to?
Even snugglier. I feel much more snuggly now. Thank you.
Sige na po, Zoe. Sige na.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!